So this is the rack pre-assembled as per the previous step that we've gone through. Depends on which option you have received this rack. So the standard option is front and back hoop. Then you obviously don't have to have pre-assembled and the hoops can go straight on the car. This option is front and back hoop, 4 north to south, and it also has the tent adapter kit at the top. So it's easier if you pre-assemble everything on the ground here. Everything can be tight, everything can be Loctited on the rack itself. It is important, however, that you leave these bolts still loose, so we got a little bit of play when we then come in with the rack, and otherwise it's going to be difficult to line up. So the first step, prepare your M8x16s. So you need 4 each corner, so 16 bolts. Put a little bit of Loctite on each corner, and then if you have lifted up with some help, here we do it with 4 people, so each corner a person, lift it up on the rack, and then we slowly tighten it down. Okay, so sit it on these plates like that, line it up a little bit, and now we're just going to go in. It's going to go do 2 diagonals. Going to put 1 bolt in here, just finger tight, and I'm going to do 1 exactly across on the other side. And because these mounts are still loose, it's relatively easy to wiggle the whole rack in place. And then we just repeat this step until the whole rack is in place. Okay, then tighten them all down, and then our rack is installed. Okay, once all these bolts are tight, Loctite are tight, only now can we go in and tighten all these bolts. We just want to make sure the rack sits down in every corner, nicely flush, and then we go inside and tighten that bolt. Also make sure they got a little bit of Loctite on it. Put a little bit of Loctite on here, again not a lot. And then in here. Okay, tight. And now basically just repeat everything in every corner.